Okay, so when people ask me what is this business about, now remember blockchain and cryptocurrency and all those things are very new to us and very Greek. So let me explain. You standing in front of a hotel with 12 floors, and you now have to go fill all 12 floors with 8,000 people so that you can get to the top and get that beautiful view. How do you get into the hotel? You're going to pay at the moment 50 Rand. It's going to go up to 55 Rand, and December it's going to be even more. So get in while it's still low. Then you are allowed to go into the then you are allowed to go into the lobby. Once you're in the lobby, you are not allowed to go into the lift until you get two clients that also will pay 50 Rand for their rooms. So you got your two people that pay 50 Rand, you can go up in the lift on the first floor. Now on the first floor, you're going to use that money to upgrade. You know, when you want a better room, you upgrade to the next floor and you will be making 20 Rand profit. Now you want to move to the next room. So your two people each have to get two people. So now there's going to be another 4 rooms that's going to be occupied. And now you want to upgrade. And after you've upgraded, you're now going to make 126 Rand. So you can already draw your money if you want to because you've made profit. But it's better to keep it there because this is a 12-month program where you fill all the levels of the rooms that you need to, and you fill all 8,000 rooms. You are going to earn about 1 million Rand. Imagine the view on each level. Now, let me tell you, if you go up to the fourth floor, you're going to be earning 3,500 Rand. If you go up to the fifth floor, you're going to be earning 15,100. Now, take into account this is after you've upgraded, so this is profit. On the sixth floor, you're going to earn 62,500. On the seventh floor, you're going to earn 254,000. And on the eighth floor, 1 million. Now, 9, 10, and 11 is specially designed for people that are looking for that monthly income that will come when you're on those floors. If this makes sense, then you know why don't you enter this hotel? Fill the rooms as quick and as fast as you can and see which floors you can reach before a few months so that you can be independently financially next year. How does that sound? You willing to pay the 50 Rand and take that chance? Don't you think it's worth it?